Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about finding data on ArcGIS Hub Open Data Portal. Finding data on ArcGIS Hub Open Data Portal. The ArcGIS Hub Open Data Portal has in a short period of time become a very useful means by which geospatial data can be searched, found, and used. I believe that there are two main reasons why. The ArcGIS Hub, number one, allows organizations to easily host their own data. And number two, provides an easy to use but powerful set of tools for users to find data. At the time of this video, nearly 111,000 datasets were linked to the ArcGIS Hub Open Data Portal from nearly 6,000 organizations worldwide. Pretty amazing. In keeping with the theme of the public domain data book and the Spatial Reserves Data blog, which I co-author, pay close attention to each of the data sets listed here that you are interested in using. And make sure you understand the usage restrictions, if any. Not all data sets listed are necessarily open for any conceivable use. So again, understand the licensing and usage for your desired data set. Make sense? One advantage to using the ArcGIS Hub Open Data Portal from the user's perspective is its simple layout, as you can see here. The user is presented with a search category box along with a location box, i.e. near location X. This surprisingly straightforward interface kind of reminds me of how simple I found Google Search to be nearly 20 years ago after years of using WebCrawler, Alta Vista, and other search engines. I know some of you out there are probably saying, what are those other search engines? I've read about those in books. Well, Google made it a lot easier. Same with ArcGIS Hub Open Data Portal. My education outreach team here at ESRI recently used the ArcGIS Hub in an educational context in our ESRI MOOC, Massive Open Online course, entitled Do-It-Yourself GeoApps. In the MOOC, we had participants leverage open data to build web apps using Washington, D.C.'s Vision Zero safety data to help people learn more about pedestrian and bicycle safety within the community. Specifically, students in the course searched for and found data on commuting in Washington, D.C., downloaded the data as a shapefile, and uploaded it to their ArcGIS Online account, as you see here, and began analyzing it. An alternative workflow becoming rapidly adopted, as my colleague and I have written about in our Spatial Reserves Data blog, rather than download and then upload, is to obtain the link for the data as a REST endpoint and add it directly to a working session in ArcGIS Online, from which analysis tools can be run. To do this using the ArcGIS Hub, use the APIs link, on the right side after you find your desired data set. With one modification, the GeoService full data set are often tagged with a query statement. For example, the Michigan hydrography polygons are listed with this URL, as you can see here. Now, to view the data in ArcGIS Online, remove everything after map server / as shown here. Another fascinating feature, folks, is in that same right-hand zone on the metadata results page is Create Story Map, which, as the name implies, gets you started right away creating and displaying the data in a story map. As an example here, in my case, a map series story map. From this point, you could add additional layers, audio, video, photographs, and narrative to this same story map. It is understandable with any open portal such as this, with contributions from a wide variety of organizations, that some challenges will exist. From the perspective of the data user, one of those current challenges is finding results to searches on medium-sized polygon areas, such as Colorado or Platte River drainage. However, in the above Washington, D.C. example, as I explained earlier, even if you did not know the term Vision Zero, a search on bicycle safety near Washington, D.C. would provide you the results that you are seeking. The data extent for the Washington, D.C. Vision Zero covered the entire North Atlantic Ocean. But there's no doubt, despite this little anomaly, the result of an improperly encoded data point, right? There's probably some data point that was improperly encoded. There is much more to ArcGIS Hub than this open data portal, folks. ArcGIS Hub includes community engagement tools such as event management, engagement dashboards, and initiatives. One of the most appealing things about the ArcGIS Hub, in my opinion, is that if you have an ArcGIS Online subscription, you can share your own authoritative open data with ArcGIS Hub. By using your existing ArcGIS Online groups to identify data to share, you can set up public-facing websites for people to easily find and download your data in a variety of open formats. Your open data sets are connected to the source and are automatically updated, which is a huge leap forward. I highly recommend spending time with the ArcGIS Hub, beginning with the Open Data Portal. Thanks.